Good morning, world. Me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Let's see what market has for us. Russian market is in there for a correction. Yeah, no volume. No volume. Unvolumed. So I mean that's no bueno. And this guy has room to go. Intel is doing a local extremum. Also this volume. Yeah. Doesn't look like an exhaustion at all. Looks like it wants to go higher. Higher. Sagro. Plug. Pazi. Pazi is doing it. We need a closed manipulation signal. It's doing it right now as we speak. It doesn't need a closed manipulation signal on hour since it's transition extremum for both day and hour. So, but look, with this kind of break, I don't think there's any doubt. Market is dying. Market is just dying. AFK. Самолет is hanging out. Maybe it's not a bad idea to close it. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? After this volume, it might go lower. Let me see where we are. It all was fun till it wasn't. Like with this volume. What? I'm here. What? Yeah, I'm negative on. Maybe it would make sense to make it to break even. After this volume, it looks like it wants to go lower. Let's hold it. Okay, it goes the right away, but it just makes no sense. Makes no sense. Anyway. Yeah, it's a volume. It resumed from here, but this is a bigger volume. $10.5. You need to see how it interacts with this guy. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold it. Sberbank. Roku. This is volume. Just saying. But after I chickened out on Citigroup, I mean, Citigroup was beautiful. This is not that obvious. It goes there. It goes there on pre-market. Look at it. Good job. Not for the Gallagher. This is gone. I was concerned about this volume, legitimate concern. The rest was good. And unvolumed spring, yeah. And unvolumed spring. It's gone. Dr. Pepper. Continuation of the trend. 1.5. Yeah. Pfizer. No volume. No volume whatsoever. This guy gives us a volume. Two-bar spring needs a test. Yeah, and there's nothing to work of on hourly. If it comes here, it'll go lower. It's alright. I'd rather want to see it here. But here is fine too. No volume for ketchup. Salmon property group. Gaps up. This is the biggest volume. It's continuation of the trend, my friend. Continuation of the friend. Continuation of the friend. This is continuation of the trend, but maybe for a 5 minute. You want it to go lower. Is this volume coming in? I don't think so. This is hairy. Amazon. It's absolutely unvolumed. The trade I chickened out from. However, to be fair, the put I purchased is losing the volume. I would have made some profit. I would have made like 30 bucks on a put, and the put is like 109, so it doesn't make sense. It's like 30% risk to reward ratio. Just doesn't make any sense. Yeah. That's an interesting volume. Counter trend. The Ryzen worked all the way. Balance. Balance. If it comes here, it's gone. Yeah, so. Hair product. J&J. Upthrust. That was good. Schlumberger. You remember your Schlumberger. A little stretched above 0.5. But other than that, yeah, that was good. Caterpillar. Tesla XR2. Still don't know how to deal with shorts. Probably just paper trading. That's all I can say for now. I still don't know how to deal with gaps. How to secure myself from gaps. McDonald's. I loving it. On volume T1. Stay away. Stay away, Mishka. Absolutely unvolumed. And here comes the volume and it breaks. Oxy. PBF. Now that was wholesome. Volume. Dun. Yeah, exactly. Here, it didn't give us an entry. Maybe 1.5. No, nothing. Only from daily. And on daily we need the context, we need the previous. Yeah, so there's no context on daily. Unvolumed. So much often, like the trend up thrust is unvolumed. It does need to have a volume. At least something 1 bar reversal. Anyone? Not Mishka. Yeah, look right here. Right here. Unvolumed. Okay, and our monthlies. We've been through that. So the biggest question of the day. Whether this volume will kill. How was the gap with retest? And that was a retest. Look at these volumes. They've been bought out. And they haven't, that wasn't retailers who bought out this volume. I promise you that. And yet someone dumped. Look at this. This wasn't retailers, I promise you that. This wasn't retailers. And it's slow. You can also see this as a just missed it by hair. So we identify manipulation by changing the direction. In such case, we identify the sorry, change of direction by manipulation by changing of direction on the superior time or inferior time frame. I'm sorry, and that happened. Oh, already changed. So yeah. Maybe just me wanting to see it like this, but it's fair to say that this was a change of direction on volume though. And if it is so, then we're probably good. Like a dramatic drop into 0.5, bounce, bounce, and from here it can go. Unrolling spring though. Yeah, it's within the logic. Like this is within the logic of so these can be retailers trying to short it further. Everyone who was shorting here and took a profit here might have reset for a short again. Cisco. Okay, enough of Samalot Emirates. Well, yeah, it doesn't tell us much. Markets are moving, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't give us much of a. Yeah, we need it. This volume is up though. Ooh, no, yesterday. All my problems seem so far away. Life was just an easy game to play. Oh, I believe. Yeah, let it settle. Yeah, you guys, I think that's all I have. Just for fun. Done that. Just for fun. I mean, come on. Be real. It needs to settle. It gives it volume though. Let's counter trend, so nothing on daily. Just an hourly. It was Amazon. Okay. Okay, Amazon, I see you. Unvolumed. Stay away. I could stay away. You guys already know my repertoire. It's not that sophisticated. Broke down, now confirmed. So it's matching levels, but of course in counter trend. You would want it to we would only work through transition extremum. However, this is exactly how levels are manipulated. Like volume from neutral zone, no break. It's actually interesting. Look at this piece of work. Look at this piece of work. It gapped both of them. My yesterday's gosh, chickened out yesterday. God damn it. Because of this volume, everything else was perfect. But this volume and on volume spring, just look at this. Bye bye. This is sad. This is sad. Would have been in profit today. Wait, where I was. Was it in America? No. Where was I? Pause. Gosh, that sucks so bad. Both of them. Look at this. Yeah, I was confused by this volume. I did everything right. The volume distribution was not so evident to me. This is tragic. Okay, it is what it is. I'm gonna go and see you